Gerardo is back in the kitchen today and we are making guacamole.
We're gonna make my recipe of guacamole.
I'm so excited.
There is so many recipes of guacamole, but there's gonna be a twist to this one.
I was gonna say, these all look like ingredients that I would use at home, but this is very left of field.
It is very left of field. It just adds acidity to it and the color. Because the guacamole is all about that green and all those beautiful colors, and then you have that and then boom,
Stunning.
punch. So, you're gonna show us a trick, right?
I am. So you need a sink full of water or a bowl full of water, and then you're going to cut the top and the bottom off, and then you're going to essentially find the segments. So you've got those little white bits there, do it over the water. You're gonna score down, essentially like you're segmenting an orange.
An orange, yeah, just following the lines, yeah.
There's another one there, and then this one here. And then doing it in the water means that you're not splattering any of those delicious jewels all over you.
Yep.
And you're gonna put it into the water and you're gonna break a segment out like that. And you're gonna keep it in the water and just really gently, you're just gonna start to
Remove the seeds.
remove the seeds, and they literally will just drop to the bottom, and
Wow.
any of the impurities will sink to the top. And then you've got pomegranate seeds without any mess.
That's awesome.
It's so good, isn't it?
That's such a great
It's actually
technique.
life-changing.
Just like we would do with ceviche,
Yep.
I want to cure my onion with the lime
Okay.
so that it removes some of the bitterness from the onion.
And
so
that very like harsh
yeah,
onion flavour.
exactly.
I like raw onion, but too much of it sometimes can upset my stomach.
Yeah.
And I find when you just pour a bit of like vinegar or lemon juice or lime juice over it with a bit of salt,
Exactly.
it just takes away all those like
Exactly.
like the acidity, the harshness, that really like tannic flavour that can upset your tummy.
Correct. I'm just gonna use half of an onion, so it's just for a little bit of that flavor. So just gonna do half.
Amazing.
And we're gonna chop it with my amazing chopping skills.
I feel like when I have people over for a taco night, I would use about 10 avocados worth of guacamole because people just love it. Because they come over, you open a packet of corn chips and you start snacking on it. It's like, don't eat them all because I need it for the tacos as well.
Such an easy thing to do. I find it very hard when people don't like avocado. Like it's like,
Rude.
how could it be possible? But there are a few people out there.
Where did the pomegranate come into this?
I just wanted to have that extra sort of like, punch
Yeah.
of freshness. I think the simplest guacamole recipe is avocado, salt, and lime. And you find a
salt,
lot of
lime.
people in Mexico do that. And in Mexico, we have several different varieties of avocado. So they'll be used for different purposes. But when it comes to a guacamole, you want the creamy ones, like the Hass.
Yes.
The Hass avocado is very good for that. So
Well, I've done all the hard work here.
You
Just
have?
so you know, with very clean hands. Best tip ever. I'm just gonna let you keep chopping. We'll come back and then it's dip and chip time.
exactly right.
Oh. So chunky, so colourful, vibrant, fresh, just everything you want. And those pomegranates, I'm gonna try this the next time I've got a little cheeky taco party at our house.
And I put two jalapenos for you. I know how much you like spiciness.
Spicy
so
boy.
Put two.
Do you think plain tacos?
A little bit of olive
tortillas?
oil, why not? Whichever, you choose.
Oh, great. I'll open these. Oh, there we go. Oh my God, yum.
Beautiful.
Oh my God. Yum, yum, yum.
Guacamole,
I'm very excited for this.
something new, something different. And the other day I tried one with strawberry too. It was so good.
What?
Oh, and kiwi fruit. Oh, it's great.
Oh my God.
Simple, yet full of flavor.
And fiery,
But the pomegranate is
but
very
fresh.
good.
That pomegranate is so genius. I am never making guacamole ever again without
That
pomegranate.
pomegranate.
That
Oh.
is incredible.
And without your secret technique.
There you go. Gerardo, you've done it again.
Thank you very much.
Yum!